Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. And yesterday I posted price analysis of the Bitcoin. You can see here I predicted that if this candle closes above the area of 36,500 or approximately 36,488, then it would be a sign of that you have broken this region. And you can see here 36,488. Yesterday I marked this area. Today is the Monday, new day, new candles. So we have a good bullish candle today. You can see here the price has just broken this region, and now this candle needs to close above the area of 346. Yeah, this one. Okay, this candle which is forming right now, as I am on the daily chart. Okay, and this candle needs to close above 36,488. And although it has crossed this area of, this was the resistance. As you can see, we have one rejection at this level, we have multiple rejections, and the candles are closing above this area, so we can say that this is a good level. So you see, if you watch here, if you take a analysis on these candles, these large candles, once they broke out of this region, the price came down. So 42,000 is our next area of resistance. This could be also 38,000 is also could be our next resistance, which I see to be, which I see that it is not that important, but it is still these levels. One level has been crossed. Okay, this level has been crossed. Now this is going to be under test within couple of days. So I hope that, as right of now you can see here, the price is fluctuating right around approximately 37,000. you can see here. So this candle needs to close above. We have a good you see, last couple of days the price was going down here, and you can see if we break above this area, as you can see, this is a previous swing high. Okay, this is the previous swing high candle, and this candle might going to test, and might be, we can see a rejection from this level. Okay, we might test this level on the first attempt, because we have not tested this level once we have broken down to this area. You can see here why I'm telling this, because you can see when these three candles went down, next candle it tried to break but failed. On the second attempt it tried but failed. On the third attempt it broke, and then the price was staying at this level, but again, due to the high selling pressure, the price came down. Okay, so right now we might see 38,333 is going to be tested, and it is gonna reject from this level. Might be it is gonna reject from this area, and we might see some retracement back to this 36,500. If that would be the case in the coming days, then we can predict the price to be you see the bullish, making the new, like this kind of trend, making new higher lows. So just keep watching this candle. Okay, keep watching this candle. We have to wait for the confirmation, because without confirmation it's very hard to take any entries. For example, if we take a look, if we draw some resistance here, you can see this is a swing high candle. Okay, and for example, if the price reaches at this area, let me draw the, where is the tag? Okay, let me turn on the tag here. Okay, 37,800. this is a local resistance. Okay, we can test this level, and from there we can get down from that level for a little correction or retracement. But this candle needs to close above this area in order for the price to bullish. We can have because the big resistance is around 42,000. this is the main thing. You can say the price can retrace back to 42,000, and after that it can go down as well. So first we need to break these levels. One level has been broken, as I told you already. These two levels are now being tested, and it's gonna test in a couple of days. So just wait for this candle to close above. Okay, if this candle closes above, then you can place, and next candle should wick from, you know, should wick from this level, which is going to confirm that we have successfully broken this level. Okay, a wick is confirmed. Why? Because you see, when this level was broken down, a wick on the upside, it confirms that we were in the downtrend, and you see a second rejection from this area. This is called the confirmation. Okay, confirmation means when a certain level is broken, it, you know, if we take example of this huge red candle, okay, if we take example of this red candle, it broke down, okay, the next candle went up, tested, got rejected, confirms that we have successfully broken the support level. Then the next candle, again it tried to break this level, but again it got rejected, so it confirms that the price has now going down, is going down from this level. So we have to confirm. Other than, you know, without confirmation, it's like a gamble. Don't do the gambling, guys, because trading is not that easy. You have to you have to trust on your system. Okay, so I would suggest you guys just be careful. Let this candle completed. Today is Monday. We can see a dump today as well. Might be not today, might be tomorrow, because you see 2 days of continuous price on the upward. The, you know, correction is due, or retracement is due while we are in the downtrend, because during the downtrend we often see very less amount of upward movement. You see, when we were in the uptrend, you see, if we take a look here, when we were in the uptrend, if you take a look here, you see we had a very few retracements because of the upward movement. We had a very few retracement, okay, corrections, very few corrections, okay, you can see these. But once the price started to move down, here you can see we had a very few upward movement on the correction. So just keep that in your mind. Okay, keep that in your mind while we are in the downtrend. Here you can see, while we are in the downtrend, if you can see here, we have a very few upward candles. The green candles are few during the downtrend. Okay, so we need some strong, you know, you can see, if we take a look here, I have found something for you. For example, this is, if we take this as an example, you can see here, this was a downtrend, this candle broke up, okay, it went up, the next candle tried and retested from this previous, you know, swing high, and another candle make another swing high, then it came down and got rejected. So we got 2 confirmations from this area, and then the third candle, it successfully went up, and any trades could be placed around here at this area. So I would tell you guys that during this downtrend, just wait for this candle. Okay, wait for this candle to close or break above, or it should be above this level 36,000, and we need the next candle to wick below, because during this wick below, if anything goes down wick below, it would be a risky call to enter, but you can take a risk, you can average down your entries. Okay, and from there the price, if it gets rejected from this area, and any candle forming, if this candle, for example, if this candle closes above here, for example, if this candle closes around this level, the next candle is gonna wick here, and when we pass above this area, then from here you can place your trades. Okay, but you can also place your trades here as well. So this is basically a detailed short-term analysis what the price can do right now. So if you have any questions, you can ask them in the Telegram group as well. So wait for the confirmation of this candle to close above this zone, this support zone. The next candle should wick below and get rejected, and it has to get rejected from this area in order for the price to move on the upward direction. The next resistance would be around somewhere 37,800, and it has to break these 2 levels as well, because we are now in the very, you know, consolidation type of phase. We are in the very narrow phase, so we need some strong confirmations for the price to move on the upside. And you can do scalping in these phases in the very shorter time frame. Okay guys, if you take a look at the 4-hour chart, we have a different scenario. Here you can see we have broken this area of 36,000, okay, over the past 4 hours. You see the price was making waves, and now it is going up. And if we take a look here, it is also approaching the resistance. I found a resistance around here. These are, you know, minor resistance levels here. You see 37,134 on the 4 hour. We have found this resistance, and it is also trying to, you know, you see it is you see here, if you take a look here, just watch this swing low candle, it is breaking this area but also getting rejected as well. So there are multiple, you know, alts follow the patterns of BTC. So that's it guys, I think the video is long. Thank you very much, take care.